We all know that a woman is a woman's worst enemy, right? Because what is patriarchy after all, if not women being mean to each other for sport? Let's be real. This idea that women are their own worst enemies isn't some ancient wisdom being passed on. It's just the oldest and laziest excuse in the book. It exists so we don't have to talk about issues like patriarchy, unequal pay, violence, and discrimination. Instead, the blame gets dumped back on women, which is ridiculous. When men are competitive, they are called ambitious. When women are competitive, they are called jealous, bossy, arrogant. And somehow we have all been taught to accept that double standard like it's normal. But being competitive isn't a woman's problem. It's a system's creation, a pattern that shows up everywhere, from our homes to our workplaces. From the time we were kids, we were taught to compete quietly. Don't be too loud like her. Look at her clothes. Girls like that aren't respectable. Every message was the same. Another woman is your comparison, not your friend or someone you can look up to. So when women compete, it's not because they are wired to dislike each other. It's because the world rewards them for being the only one in the room. And yes, some women do become enforcers of that system. Not because they're naturally this way, but because patriarchy offers them privileges for policing other women. You get respect if you're a good woman. You get attention if you mock the bad ones. And you survive by staying on the right side of male approval. Because the truth is, it's harder to put up a fight. It costs you your comfort, reputation, safety, and belonging. And that is exactly how patriarchy wins, by making obedience look like protection. Besides, this whole women are women's enemies myth is the perfect distraction from the real problem. The bosses who underpay, the trolls who abuse, and the system that keeps women invisible. Look at workplaces, politics, media. How many times have women been told that there's space for only one of them? We already have a female anchor. We can't have two female leads. So when women fight for that one single slot, we call them enemies instead of asking why there's only one slot to begin with. The truth is, women have always had each other's backs. From protest lines to workplace circles, from mentorship to everyday friendship. Women have kept each other safe in ways the world rarely sees, and they are each other's best chance at surviving. So the next time someone says a woman is a woman's worst enemy, just remind them that patriarchy started that rumor, and it's been living off of it rent-free ever since. I'm Yana, and this is Shortcut, where we break down issues that matter in under 3 minutes every week. Stay tuned for the next one.